Are you rethinking what a garage can be? You're not alone. Modern detached garages have evolved far beyond a place to park. They're becoming stylish, multifunctional extensions of the home. Whether you're building new or upgrading an existing space, this video will spark ideas, offer practical tips, and help you reimagine your garage as something more. Let's explore how modern design, smart tech, and thoughtful planning can transform your detached garage into one of the most useful and beautiful spaces on your property. 1. Versatility and functionality. Today's detached garages serve many roles, and they're being designed with that in mind. At their most basic, they offer a clean, secure space to store vehicles or outdoor gear. But the real potential comes when you think beyond that. A garage can easily become a dedicated workout area, an art studio, or a quiet office retreat, just steps from your main home, but separated enough to give you focus. Families often use them as teen hangouts, entertainment zones, or game rooms. For those running a business from home, they can provide a distraction-free work zone. And because the structure is separate, it's often easier to renovate or expand over time without disrupting the main house. The best part? You can design the garage around your lifestyle, so it works for you now and adapts in the future. 2. Architectural harmony. One of the most rewarding aspects of designing a modern garage is how it contributes to your property's overall look and feel. A garage doesn't have to be an afterthought. It can be an architectural statement. Matching materials like metal, wood, or painted brick help the garage feel cohesive with your home. You can repeat design elements like window shapes, trim styles, or roof angles to create visual balance. Or take the opposite approach and make it a feature of its own. A minimalist black garage with cedar accents can offer striking contrast to a light, traditional home. Some designs even borrow from Scandinavian or mid-century influences, using asymmetry and raw textures to create depth and interest. However you approach it, intentional design ties everything together, increasing both curb appeal and property value. 3. Design features. What sets a modern garage apart are the thoughtful details. Clean lines, large windows, and flat or low-pitched roofs give a modern, streamlined appearance. Glass garage doors, framed in black aluminum or steel, let light pour in and look stunning from the street. For siding, many homeowners are choosing fiber cement panels, vertical wood slats, or even corrugated metal for a sleek finish. Landscaping is often overlooked but can completely change the garage's presence. Try mixing soft, native plants with hardscaping elements like gravel paths or concrete pavers. Adding a covered breezeway or patio between the garage and the home creates a useful, sheltered connection. And lighting is a must. Go for slimline LED fixtures, uplighting, or hidden step lights to add drama and safety at night. 4. Smart tech integration. Technology plays a big role in the modern garage, and it's not just for convenience, it's for safety and efficiency too. Smart garage door openers allow for remote access from your phone, and some systems even notify you if the door's left open. Integrate security cameras and motion sensors to monitor the space 24/7. Voice-controlled lights or climate systems add another layer of ease, especially if you're using the garage daily. If you're into tech, consider setting up a garage hub with built-in USB ports, tool charging stations, and a smart speaker. If you're going green, a dedicated EV charging station can future-proof your space. Smart thermostats and fans are also great for keeping workshops or studios comfortable without needing full HVAC. With the right setup, your garage can feel just as modern and connected as any room in your house. 5. Sustainability. Sustainable building is more than a trend. It's a mindset that's shaping how we design everything, including garages. Solar panels are a natural addition to detached garages, especially if they have full sun exposure throughout the day. These can power lights, outlets, tools, and even feed into your home's grid. Adding energy-efficient insulation and windows can also reduce heating and cooling needs if you're using the space regularly. Many modern garage builds use low VOC materials and FSC certified wood to minimize environmental impact. Green roofing, planted with low-maintenance vegetation, can improve insulation and even help manage stormwater runoff. If you're building from the ground up, consider a permeable driveway surface that allows rain to soak through. Little decisions like these go a long way toward building a garage that's both modern and mindful. Six, interior design and finishes. Inside, modern garages are clean, bright, and highly functional. The days of dark, cluttered, unfinished interiors are over. Today's garages often feature drywall, polished concrete or epoxy-coated floors, and modular cabinetry systems. Wall-mounted pegboards, open shelving, and slat walls keep tools, sports gear, and seasonal items neatly organized and easy to access. Lighting makes a huge difference. Install overhead LEDs, under-cabinet task lighting, or pendant fixtures for work zones. Paint colors matter too. White or light gray walls can brighten the space, while a feature wall in navy, forest green, or charcoal adds modern style. Even the ceiling can be upgraded with wood slats or painted beams to give the space warmth. Whether you're storing a vintage car or working on a weekend project, the interior should feel like a space you want to be in. 7. Purpose-based layouts. When it comes to layout, one size does not fit all. Designing with purpose is key because how you plan the space will define how well it works for you. If your garage is purely for vehicles, leave ample room for parking, car doors to open, and maybe add a workbench at the back. For a gym, keep the center open, add mirrors, and install rubber flooring for shock absorption. A creative studio benefits from lots of natural light, storage for materials, and good ventilation. If you're planning an ADU or guest suite, think in terms of compact living. Those include efficient plumbing, space-saving furniture, and sound insulation. You can even design a garage with zones, one part for storage, one for hobbies, one for lounging. Good layout makes a small space feel larger and more usable, so it's worth the extra planning. 8. Space planning tips. Before you build or renovate, take time to map out how the garage fits into your overall property. Look at access points, privacy, driveway angles, and how the garage aligns with views from your home or yard. Is it visible from the front? Should it be hidden behind fencing or trees? Would adding a breezeway or deck improve flow? Pay attention to height limits, setback requirements, and zoning rules in your area. Some locations require permits for even basic structures, so it's always smart to check early. Think long-term too. Can you add a second level later? Will the driveway support multiple vehicles? Working with an architect or design pro can help maximize your space and budget, while avoiding costly surprises.